Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to customize sounds for notification in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to personalization. Now click on themes. Here you can see the option of sounds. Click on it. Now here you have to search for notification. Here you can see notification. Click on it. Now you can see here the option of sounds. You can select your sound. Or if you want to keep silent, then click on none. Then press on OK or apply. That's it. So this is how you can customize sounds for notification. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.